Hello students! This video is for my English major second year students. I have a little mission for you, an assignment for you to do. I would like you to make a video showing me how to make or enjoy your favorite snack at home. What is it that you like to have during vacation or when you're at home or trying to study? What kind of snack do you like to eat? Show me how to make it or how you like to eat it and enjoy it. Please introduce your snack to me in a YouTube video. You may upload the video as an unlisted or public video, but not private because I have to be able to see it. And then I would like you to send me the link to your video. If you don't want any other students to see your video, you can email it to me at my email, which you already know. And if you don't mind other people seeing it, you can just upload it straight onto the Google Classroom page, okay? So I look forward to watching your videos and I will see you later. Bye.